Aloha fam, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Harley Fatboy Jr. in the garage for a little garage yoga. Gonna install some LED lights I've been holding on to for a while, made by Rogue Rider Industries. Super excited because I've had the lights on the front of the bike for quite some time now, and absolutely love them. Obviously a huge upgrade compared to what the bike came with stock. But yeah, got the 2020 Fatboy. Looking to install these right now. The SIGZ, the Black Label Edition. And also got the dark smoke lenses to go with them as well. So we'll open these up and then also do a walk around and kind of show you the back of the bike with the stock lights on there right now. And then we'll do a comparison after the install and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and unbox these real quick and then we'll go from there. Sweet. Came nicely boxed right here. Black Label Special Edition, the Rogue Rider Industries SIGZ LED rear turn signals, 1157. Got the right ones here, so like I was saying, I got the ones on the front already. But here are the bad boys right here. Some instructions probably. Obviously make sure you got the right ones. 1157. Look at that right there. One thing I love about these is that the actual cables aren't exposed. I know I see a lot of videos on like Custom Dynamics and I believe Hogworks, the Halo maker, but the wires are kind of exposed and the wires are super thin, so I'm just always scared that they might just easily get cut, snipped somehow. Trying to get any grease on that right now, but super nice, man. And then I got the dark smoke lenses to kind of go with them. I don't know, I might keep the red ones on there, we'll see. But these are the bad boys right here. Built tough, man. I really like these. Right now they don't really look like they're that dark, but I mean they're definitely a huge difference in the red ones. So obviously the bike came stock with the LED headlight. And those are Rogue Riders in the front. It's going to turn the turn signal on. These are cool. I like how all the lights turn yellow and then back to white when the turn signal indicator is engaged. All back to white. A lot of other companies have the little white halo on the outside, and then when you engage the indicator, it'll go yellow and then back to the halo light. Not really a fan, but yeah, that's the front. That's the rear right here. Obviously you can tell like the difference in the brightness already. Those are stock lights. Engage this bad boy. It's got that single bulb action in there. Try the other side. Yeah, that's weak, man. You can just kind of tell already just the difference in brightness. Okay, sweet. Turn that off. So I'm just going to swap out the right side for now, and then we can compare the two lights side by side. Let's go. So there'll be a little hole right up in here. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. You can use a coin. I've heard people use all kinds of different stuff. I'm going to use this cloth right here so I don't scratch anything. Just try not to break anything either. That. Try not to scratch anything. And yeah. Gotta just push this bad boy in. Push it and turn. Should come right out. It's all gnarly in there. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the red lens or the smoked out lenses, but right now I'm slapping on gloves. That's what that noise is. So I got this right here. So you got two nubs right here, two nubs. So just slide it in, got it in there because you can see it in here as well. Yeah, so just push it in and turn. So that's in there good, if you can see that. Just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is kind of gently twist this bad boy in there without screwing anything up, like so. So just to test it out, see if it's working. Turn it on real quick. There, golly, that thing's bright. All right. Gee whiz. It's kind of bright. Okay, so that's on there. So I'm gonna keep the red one on there for now. Bike on. Look at that. Holy, huge difference. Golly, I really like that red look. I like the red lens on there. That's pretty tight. But wow, what a huge difference. Yikes, man, I'm kind of bummed it's taking so long to get this on there. Woo-wee. Nice and bright. All right, man. Slap the other one on there. Get it going. All right, so same thing. Just look for that little neb action. Find that spot and then get it in there without scratching anything. All right, so we got it right here. Pop this bad boy out. God, what a huge difference though, light. Same thing. Push it in. Turn to your right. And you're all set. I'm actually going to try and get this smoked one on real quick. All right. Looks good. That's the smoked out lens, and that's the red lens. So let's take a look. See what it does. Well, you definitely can't tell at night. But let's see what this does. Turning the left side on with the dark lens on. Let's actually go and do, see the hazards. It's definitely brighter with the red lens on, looks like. Super clean though. Alright, well, let's see what it looks like again with the light on and what we're gonna go with. I don't know, man. It looks killer with the black, but I still like the red. But I think I'm gonna go, shoot, I think I'm gonna go all black. Let's do it. Okay, yeah, let's get the black in there, man. Definitely cleaner look during daylight, I guess. That's how you want to say it. That looks really clean, man. I like it a lot. Sweet, let me know what you think. Sorry, bike's a little dirty. But shout out to Road Riders, man. They make a great product. I'm super stoked. I mean, the lights are super bright. I'm not a fan of the halo style lights. But dude, what a huge difference. Just, I mean, obviously LED. I mean, that Lumi crap is BS, but I just don't understand how you pay so much money for a bike and they don't come with... Come on, Harley. I mean, I understand the headlight came LED, but all the lights should be LEDs, man. Automatic. Automatic. Love it, man. Look at that. Booyah. Looking pretty. Yeah, I clean these bad boys. Bike is super dirty. Anyway, stay focused, people. Well, right on. Hope you guys enjoyed this, man. Not rocket science. Obviously, for me, I just hate like scratching anything, and I feel like there's a lot of scratches on the bike just from, oh no, poor washing technique, cleaning technique of the bike. You can see that, but this scratches really easily. But I really like it. The lenses came out nice. Blacked out, baby. Such a beautiful bike. But yeah, super simple. Shout out to Road Rider Industries. So I'll put all the information in the description below on, you know, the part number and all that stuff. But But yeah, LED rear bullet inserts for HD 1157s. Came with the instruction manual, just random stuff. But weather's looking up. Weather's super nice lately. I think it was like 88 degrees today. Super nice. I'm just so ready to ride. Obviously prepping for Sturgis. The lights are something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I just never got around to it. But a huge difference. I'm so glad I did it. I'm kind of bummed that I waited this long to do them, because obviously it's a huge difference in brightness. And I'm all about safety, man. So I don't ride that much at night like before, like I used to back in the Bay Area. But you never know. If you're going to events, functions that are, you know, later in the afternoon or evening, you never know. But it's better safe than sorry. And who knows what will happen on my trip out to Sturgis, but definitely want to make sure I got everything that I need safety-wise. And lighting's huge. Lighting's important. You know, all my buddies that have baggers got like 50 million lights on their bikes. But could I have gone with custom dynamics? Yes, I could have. But for some reason, I got these off of Amazon. My brother Ben was telling me about them. We talked about whatever. All the different lights out there, Hogwarts, custom dynamics, whatever. But I went to Road Riders. Super nice. I'm actually shocked that these didn't come with the sticker. Dude, my Dixon flannel didn't come with a sticker. These lights didn't come with a sticker. Like, is that for real? Yeah, man. There's nothing here. No stickers. Nothing. You know me, man. Me and my stickers. I need them. Got them over there. Got them on the new fridge. Got them up there in the toolbox. Send me my stickers, Road Rider Industries. Send them now. It's not too late. But right on, people. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. What are you guys rocking on your bikes? Front, back, rear, on your tanks, your trikes, your CVOs. What brand you going with? What works for you? Bang the comments, man. Let me know what's up. And let me know what you think about these bad boys. And are you guys like dark lens style? You like keeping the rears red? Like, what's up with your lenses too? Because I think that smoked out dark lens style is pretty sick. So, you know me, fat guy, always trying to be a ninja. So everything that's blacked out is better. But you know what to do. Stay safe, stay blessed, and let's continue to spread a little, people. Because we need it. Fat boy out. Boom, bang.